Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 2022 Toyota Hilux. This is a 2.4 SR5 manual model, finishing in ash grey metallic paint. It's got the commercial road tax at 333. It's DOE'd until February 2026. It's got a full Toyota history here at McNally Motors, and it's sold a 12 months warranty. Now we'll take a look at the features this car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard, 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with 4 brand new tyres. It's got the side steps, chrome door mirrors, rear tinted privacy glass. It's got the tub liner and door liner. It's very clean also all around. It's got the genuine Toyota Towbar. Lots of legroom in the back. It's got the ISOFIX for the car seats, centre armrest and cup holders. It's finishing in navy and grey cloth interior, front armrest, rubber mats, electric windows, electric folding mirrors, multifunctional steering wheel with built-in radio, phone and cruise control functions, touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's also got the reversing camera, aircon with dual climate control, USB and aux port, manual handbrake, manual 6-speed gearbox, and there's just over 96,430 kilometers on the clock. Here at McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options on this Hilux to suit your needs. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this Jeep. You can also book a test drive. Thanks very much for looking.